Waiting, waiting, waiting. All right, that's a pickup at 5139. Pickup narcotics. 9:37 a.m. July 18th, 2026, Saturday morning. Pickup of narcotics, 5139, and you can see a little bit of the broiler harassment right there. Redirected distraction. The female is parked 5139 across the street as Catfish. And we do have homeowner Martinez here, 5135. And we do have the young teenager, recent graduate of Morton High School, back again as Catfish. He does not live here. He lives all the way down the block. Okay, so he is being instructed to park here for Catfish. There's Carlos. So Carlos is going to be very busy in the back alley, dumpsters, drive-through pickup of narcotics. Carlos and Letty Protein Shake business is doing extremely well. Okay. 9:38 a.m. Saturday morning, July 18th, 2026. And we are focused. Okay? We have plenty of activity today. Plenty, just like always. So we have to wait. Alright, we got Carlos in there. Still waiting for more activity. Plenty of